Daniel right, learning to drive a manual out of Kimberley on the... Okay Dan, handbrake off, clutch in, go to first, slowly let that clutch out, okay, ready, and go to second now, good man, just keep it in here, go slow, good boy, going good, watch out, the car might be coming around, oh we're going really good here. Okay, can you go to third? Very good. Okay, last chance, go to neutral some. Okay, brakes. Very good, that's very good. Okay, so clutch in and go to first again. Alright, let that clutch out slowly. Perfect. Good man. Good boy. Keep going, just leave it in third. Good. Okay, son, so we'll go clutch in. Yep. Neutral. Okay, pull up slowly. Very good. Oh, you've got a blinker going. Not too far over. That's very good, son. Right, that's Daniel's driving lesson for today.